Hi guys, welcome to the Love My Earth kitchen. Today we're going to be making a vegan nachos using Love My Earth's very own Indian Dahl mix. A few simple ingredients and we'll have a delicious and healthy lunch whipped up in no time. So the first thing you need to do is prepare the dal. So today we're using our Bombay masala dal. So I've pre-made this, and this is a really great thing. You can even make a batch of this and keep it in the freezer, or you can make a batch of it and keep it in the fridge for up to 3 or 4 days. So that's going to be the sauce. Instead of having a meat sauce or a bean sauce, that's going to be the sauce to our nachos. So we've got that here. We've just got some organic corn chips and also some vegan cheese. Now if you're not vegan, of course you can use any normal cheese as well, would be perfect on this dish. So you want to preheat your oven to 180 degrees so it's nice and hot by the time you're ready to pop it in the oven. And then I've got just a sort of flat size baking tray here, so we're going to use that to make the nachos. So we'll add the chips on, and you just want to do like a sort of thinnish layer, so not too thick. So this is a full packet that we're using today, but you could make this in a half size serve if you wanted to. So we'll spread those out. It's nice and easy there. Now I've got the dal, so I'm going to drizzle this over. So you're kind of just replacing your normal meat sauce or your tomato salsa with this beautiful healthy organic dal. And the great thing about dal is it's full of protein as well because it's made using red lentils. So we'll put that over the top. Now depending on how much sauce you like on your usual nachos, obviously that's up to you, but you'll probably only need about 1/4 of a batch of the dal. So if you do really love this recipe, what you could do is make up the sauce and then freeze it into smaller size batches. So when you want to make the nachos, all you're going to do is, I'm just going to put a little bit more on there. All you need to do is just defrost it and then get your nachos ready. Okay, now I've got some cheese here. So this is vegan grated cheese. It looks just like normal cheese, but it's made from coconut. And, great if you're dairy free or if you're vegan. Just sprinkle that over the top. And seriously, how quick's that? If you get home from work, you've had a long day, you don't feel like cooking, bag of corn chips, grab your pre-cooked frozen dal out of the freezer, add your cheese, pop this in the oven. And by the time you have a glass of wine, that will be ready to eat. So I'm going to cook that for around about 15 to 20 minutes, but obviously it's to your liking. And I like it with a little bit of a brown touch to the cheese, and then it'll be ready to eat. So enjoy that. Let me know what you think of the recipe. Any questions, just pop them in the comments below. Enjoy.